Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is faith. Faith, faith, faith without works are dead. What do you believe in? Do you believe in yourself, your intuition, your intelligence? We need you to continue and stay the course, because you're turning something that the world has thought to be impossible, and you're turning it into a possibility. You're the leader. You're the lighthouse. You are the torch that's leading everyone out the wilderness. But how can you lead, and how can you lead the people if you stop? How can you lead the people and convince the people in the entire world? Well, you haven't convinced yourself. I need you to be fully convinced, have radical faith, and understand that everything is working out for your own good and is going to manifest bigger and better than what you can imagine, but you have to put in the work. I'm confident I will achieve my goals. I live in the present, and I have faith in a better future. Have firm belief in my value within the universe, which is priceless. What you're doing, I need, the entire world needs. So have that faith, get that engine moving, get it done. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.